Okay, YouTube, so let's turn our simple website into gallery of images or some kind of news-like website. So we will leave navigation and heading and this paragraph like it's just base thing. So what we're gonna grab from Bootstrap is you will find that on carousel part of Bootstrap. What is the term? Carousel? I don't know. I'm not native English speaker, so forgive me if I'm making some pronunciation errors. So what we need here is, well, this is too simple. Okay, let's grab this one. That will get the job done. We're gonna just copy paste things here. And we will use for now just one image, and then we'll also download a couple of other images. So yeah, that's the general idea. Let's delete this image and we will put that our gallery, whatever. So the source for our image, static images, Pripyat JPEG or something else. It's totally up to you that you have on your PC. Okay, so copy paste will get the job done. So let's refresh our page, and if everything is cool, yeah. So we have our image stretched from left to right. We have controls here. Okay, so it works in one side. It works in another side, and it will also work if we leave our website for a couple of seconds. Now what? Now let's grab, if you don't have any image, you probably have, but anyway. I'm using public domain images here on free images website, and I don't want to waste your time. You can grab image whatever you like. So I already done that, and this is just these two images. So let's just copy paste it. Let's move it to our overall project, my site, which is specific project, static folder, obviously images, where that Pripyat images. So yeah, let's import them. The names are image1 and image2. I think that will get the job done. Okay, refresh, and yeah, I need to click, obviously. So that works. That works. That works too. So cool. Let's resize a bit to see what's happening. Yeah, I have that problem with navigation for some reason, because I probably took too much from navbar. But anyway, that's not priority at the moment. You can always copy paste it from Bootstrap. But this works. This works. That's what I need. So that's cool. Awesome. It works on every page. Anyway, for example, this is gallery, but let's transfer our website into kind of default index page for some news website. That will for now be relatively static, but you can also create scripts that will populate either directly from MySQL database that will populate pages, or you can use web framework, Django, Python and things, but you can also use PHP or Laravel, whatever you like. It's totally up to you. You can create your website with Perl or C++ if you like that. That's not the problem. Yeah, what I was talking about. So cards, yeah. Okay. So when you're dealing with cards, if you don't have too much experience with Bootstrap, you have image, then title, then a little bit of explanation, and then link to another big image or to specific big article on your website. Okay, so let's grab that to see what's happening. And maybe we want to save this. Yeah, I mean, we can use that down there. We can always delete this, but let's for now use it down there. Okay, so this is the one. Let's use 3 of them, because we will copy paste our links down there. here. So that's for Pripyat, and this is for image 1, and this is for image 2, and let's see what we have. Oops. Image 2, I think we are cool. Let's see what's happening. Refresh, that's cool, but we have this problem, kind of problem. So how to solve this? Well, let me delete these big images here, this album kinda, because I want to be focused on that thing. Okay, so let's fix this. So what I want is to all these images to be distributed dynamically, normally through rest of the pages. So how to do that? Let's see what Bootstrap have here. List of groups. Okay, kitchen sink, nothing. Header, footer, nothing. Where is that thing about rows? I think navigation, that can be used, but it's not too much of interest for me right now. Where is it? I know that there is somewhere. What's that? No. Card groups, yeah. We can use card groups, that's it. So let's copy paste this. Okay. So images, source, again that source. Images. Oops, what am I doing? Pripyat. JPEG. That will work. So let's copy paste it down there. Okay. And let's see what we have with same image on our website. Well, this is interesting. So I probably created that problem with, yeah, single quotes. One single quote can mess whole website. So that works, okay? Now what? Oh yeah, let's change images. Image 1, image 2, save. And that works. So you can imagine how your website will look like basically here. You can have 30 dozens of links of or articles on your website that you can either type dynamically if you don't have type manually if you don't have too much experience, or you can pull from database, from MySQL database, for example, dynamically if you want to practice a little bit. I mean, the truth is here that you can create Bootstrap website, news website with pure Python if you want to hard code things. You can use Django. You can also use hard-coded PHP. You can use Laravel or any other web framework. The thing is, well, when you're looking into things from programmer point, then your mindset is technical. But question is, how you gonna create money? How you gonna pay your expenses? How you gonna develop your product on a market? And that's the major question. So it's totally up to you to choose technology, or if you work for a company, that technology is probably already defined. I'm using here Django, but you can do this in total hard-coded HTML if you like. And actually, a couple of years ago, 7 or 8, I created some money with hard-coded HTML website with around 300 hard-coded pages. They were really similar, so it was really easy for me to change things, but I created some money with that website. So don't be locked down into specific technology, and if you don't know how to pull things dynamically into Django or PHP, the fact is that you can do that if you set your mind to. So you can create yourself site in Perl or even in C++ if you need it. Yeah, it's a kind of drastical example, but still you can do whatever you like if you are really good into something. So to be good in everything, it demands time. Anyway, let's just copy paste this one more because I want to see what's happening when I use two groups. Okay. Maybe the site will look a little bit nicer. Yeah, so you can imagine how your website will look like. Anyway, I'm gonna conclude this Django sessions about simple website. You probably have a lot of idea right now. And now what? Now you can remain with Django, go back to, for example, PHP, whatever you do, to any other language or framework that you like. Because, you know, some people, they like Django, some people like Laravel. The fact is that everything demands time, so that's the price you need to pay before you get results, even knowledge or money. At the end of the day, the knowledge is money, so it depends what you're gonna do. Anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me through these, I don't know how much, 10, 11, 12 tutorials with 10 minutes each. It's kind of long, but you know, I hope that you probably learned something. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you didn't, please subscribe. There will be a lot of content on this channel, not just Django and Python. There will be a lot of web development and GUI development with Python, Tkinter, C++, so on. We're gonna see. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.